We made it! Let's stop and we're taking a rest. Morning everyone, I am feeling so weak before I even start this vlog. Yes, Tinache.
Hi everybody, we're about to hike.
How are you feeling?
Tomorrow we'll have energy for this. I am feeling excited. I think I can do it. I have no doubt in my mind.
I can already feel good. Like the sun is out and it's a bit cold though. There's a
It's
cool
not
breeze.
cold.
So.
It's sunny and a bit chilly. I don't know what you call that.
Anyway, wish me luck. We have started hiking. Hi Tinashe, how are you feeling so far?
I am feeling enthusiastic and happy, and yeah, we'll see in about a few minutes or so.
Hello, what's up guys? I had to join as well.
Introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you from?
I'm Keith. I'm Keith. I'm from Cape Town.
Yes.
I'm living by the waterfront, so you can come check out my apartment and stuff.
The view, guys, when we're just starting this hike is amazing.
Okay, I'm going to be close to that. How about you talking to my phone?
I'm doing okay today. Struggling with the breathing a bit. Oh wait, okay, that's the sea. I actually never noticed that part before. Yeah, it looks so dope. It's actually good to do this early in the morning, and the weather is very perfect, you guys. It's sunny and there's like a cold breeze, like a really chill breeze, right? We are with Keith and Ethan and Tinashe.
And you, Mufaro.
This is like the first like level of like going up there. We still have got like 3 levels to go.
Yeah, guys, I'm always in awe of how beautiful it is here. Stunning, stunning. I think, isn't that Camps Bay?
Cape Town. To hike this.
Pit stop, and we're taking a rest.
Mufaro, how do you feel after this small bit of hiking? Tara?
Guys, okay, a bit tired. Like I feel like at this point I would need to take a little like 5 minute
Okay. And you, how do you feel after this? Feel good. And you?
Splendid. It's nice.
You guys?
Okay. Beautiful view.
Beautiful view, yeah.
Yeah.
View and just having to relax a bit. Just getting relaxed and then we can move from here. Second 2. So this is phase 2.
Yes, phase 2. And there is Mufaro and them going, okay, Mufaro, here's your camera. Here's your camera.
I feel like going for a swim.
We will if you want to.
And it's partly cloudy, so the water looks grey. And it looks like a scene from like a Twilight movie. But once the sun is out, the water will look blue.
Edward.
So these are the steps. I think they're okay. I'm already sweating you.
It looks like a whale.
These are the steps. There's the water. A luta continua. I think that's what they say. Like forward we move or something like that.
Mufaro. Okay. Okay. My Instagram.
This is the ghetto.
What's that?
What?
This. Hey, that's paper this.
It's a whale, my
It's a
whale.
whale, huh?
Yeah.
Actually, you're lying.
They have to be whales or dolphins or sea. My whales.
Funny rock. It's like the water is me. It's a rock. If it was something, it would be moving.
It is moving. There's a motion.
It current. It's not moving. Funny rock. Look, there's even rocks nearby. How you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm so happy. This is so easy. I thought it would be difficult, but it's fairly doable. Yeah. Okay.
I'm good.
This is Keith, and he also has a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe to him. What's your channel name? Tell us.
Yeah, you can just check it out. Just Keith Kalo. It's like a cool item. Just starting out. Stuff, yeah. Hey bro, are the pictures coming out?
I do this and I can't see a damn thing. I am blind.
And
Alternative footpath. This one. And then the staples are this way.
when we come down.
When we're coming back we use that way.
Yeah.
If we do this every day, I was telling our wife. It's so pretty strong.
Guys, I can't believe I made it this far so far.
And we did the ladders.
That's the staples.
Yeah.
And the chains.
Oh yeah.
And ladders, chains and ladders and staples.
Fear factor, child. Yeah, fear factor.
This is really fierce.
And over here we've got Table Mountain. Gang, we made it. Keith made it. Tinashe made it.
Yes.
I made it. Guys, I honestly did not think I was gonna make it on top of this mountain. Like, yo.
Yeah, we made it, guys.
Yeah.
We made it.
Farah
Basically,
cried, I cried.
This is it.
And I like
There's no lions.
I literally shed a tear. Or many tears. My eye was hurting.
If I can get to the top, guys, Lion's Head is easy, okay? You can also do it. If I could do it, you can do it. That's Ethan. He's taking a moment.
Ethan or Ethan? Don't say.
He's living off the edge.
He's living off the edge.
Guys, he looks like look at where he's sitting like it's beautiful. If you love history.
Yeah, history.
And if you're a nerd like me, then.
Yeah, I was saying that is Robben Island, that little island there, guys.
Oh my gosh.
And yeah.
This is so nice, guys. Hello.
Hi. Yes? Wait, let me see. Yeah, uri kubuda zvishoma.
Aha, sisho.
At the world's end, we made it. Hey, Ethan. I think Ethan has the best seat, so like after he's done, I'm gonna have my moment. Proud of myself is an understatement, okay? Shout out to my friends. We once hiked Table Mountain, but we arrived at 10 a.m. It was a midsummer, like it was a midsummer. It was very hot. We took 3 hours to get up the mountain, but I'm so glad. Like today, it took so.
It's like 1 hour something. 1 hour. It's like 1 hour 40. We took 1 hour 40 minutes to get up here.
1 hour.
1 hour 40 minutes is not bad at all, and we even took a lot of rest, which was not even that necessary, to be honest. Yeah, and over here we've got Table Mountain. Just to show you guys, that is Table Mountain, the view,
And this is
most of Cape Town view. This is the sea, so most of Cape Town is this way. And Signal Hill, there's CBD right in the middle, like there's CBD. And yeah, this is Signal Hill, this is Lion's Head. Hello.
yeah. And
See you when we get to Camps Bay.
we'll see you in Camps Bay. Peace out. Until next time.
Now we're at Camps Bay, guys. The weather is not great for the beach. Not great weather for the beach, but I feel good after Lion's Head. I don't feel as tired as the first time I did it. And there we are. I'm not sure where the lighting is good. The lighting is pretty bad everywhere.
I wouldn't mind going all the way that side. Oh yes! I didn't know we were live.
Ethan, I'm saying thanks.